Is it the right time to make a decision on Uber stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Uber. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, December 12, 2023. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis, ensuring you don't miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 2, 2023, our system has identified Uber as a strong buy candidate with a score of 4.11. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. If you followed our analysis, you would have experienced an impressive 34.94% gain since we first recommended buying Uber 28 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 1.25% since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in an upward trend, presenting a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders. This is because stocks in this position often experience a reaction towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks the top trend line at $64.18, it may indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a possibility of a 33.27% change in the next 3 months. This means there is a potential return between 3.6% and 36.38%. The 12-month trend suggests a significant change of 84.52% over the next year, with a potential return between 38.99% and 77.17%. This translates to a price range of $87.18 to $111.12 after 12 months. Our latest update on Uber reveals a weaker technical forecast, as the stock has been downgraded to a buy candidate. On the last trading day, the Uber stock price increased by 0.416%, going from $62.46 to $62.72. This marks its 5th consecutive day of gains. We're eager to see if it will continue its upward trend or take a brief pause in the coming days. Throughout the day, the stock experienced a 1.92% fluctuation, reaching a low of $61.84 and a high of $63.03. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 8 of them, showing a 11.58% increase over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume decreased by 3 million shares on the last day, with a total of 25 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $1.56 billion. It's worth noting that a decrease in volume at higher prices can indicate divergence and serve as an early warning for potential changes in the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $63.03, while the lowest was $23.90. Currently, the price is 0.48% or $0.305 below the 52-week high and 2.08% or $1.33 below the all-time high on February 11, 2021. When it reached $64.05. Analyst ratings. On Monday, November 13, 2023, Wedbush gave Uber a neutral grade with a hold action. On Thursday, November 9, 2023, RBC Capital gave Uber a sector perform grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, November 8, 2023, Morgan Stanley gave Uber an overweight grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, November 8, 2023, Needham gave Uber a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, November 7, 2023, Goldman Sachs gave Uber a buy grade with a hold action. According to analysts, Uber stock has received a general strong buy rating. They consider the PE ratio and price-to-book ratios as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. Today we're going to discuss the signals for Uber stock. The moving averages for both the short and long term show buy signals, which indicates a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the short-term average is currently above the long-term average, further supporting a buy signal. In case of any downward corrections, there is support from price levels at $60.60 and $52.50. However, if the stock price falls below these levels, it will issue sell signals. A buy signal was previously issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, October 26, 2023. Since then, the stock has risen by 54.41%. This suggests that there may be further rise until a new top pivot is found. It is important to note that although the stock has been gaining prices, the volume fell during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is recommended to closely monitor the stock. Some negative signals have also been observed, which may influence the stock's short-term development. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals that may pique your interest. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a buy signal 33 days ago. Bollinger indicates a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal 32 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a buy signal 29 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 27 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the following. The short moving average suggests a buy signal 29 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a buy signal 29 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 21 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Uber. When it comes to support for Uber's stock, there are 2 levels to keep in mind. Just below today's level, we have accumulated volume support at $58.63 and $57.97. If the stock's current support level is broken, it could potentially fall to the next support level. For Uber, that would be at $58.63. If that level is also broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $57.97 and $49.92. Moving on to risk, it's important to note that this stock has average movements during the day and good trading volume. As a result, the risk is considered to be medium. In the last day, the stock moved $1.19 between its high and low, which represents a 1.92% change. Looking at the last week, the stock's daily average volatility stands at 2.68%. Let's start by discussing some important fundamental data before we explore potential trading levels for Uber. First and foremost, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Uber currently has an extremely high PE ratio, which suggests that the stock might be overvalued. However, it's not unusual for tech companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. Moving on, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled to be released on February 14, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings report stand at $0.140. It's crucial to keep a close watch on these numbers as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Uber. Let's start with the positive side. Currently, there's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means that if the right conditions align, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. In such a case, it would be wise to enter a position and monitor volume for an optimal exit point. On the downside, Uber encounters its first support level at $58.63. If this support level holds, it could present a great opportunity to enter the market, anticipating a rebound in the stock's value. According to multiple analyst sources, Uber has a strong buy rating. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On November 30, 2023, Alnawayser Turkey A. bought 2,950 shares of restricted stock units. On November 16, 2023, Alnawayser Turkey A. made no insider purchases. On November 16, 2023, Ceremony Glen bought 650 shares of common stock. On November 16, 2023, Ceremony Glen bought 579 shares of common stock. On November 16, 2023, Ceremony Glenn sold 752 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is -1.138, indicating a negative trend. In total, insiders have bought 433,207 shares and sold 441,775 shares in the last 100 trades. For this stock, we recommend setting the stop loss at $61.06, which is a decrease of 2.64%. This stock experiences moderate daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, the RSI 14 indicator is at 93, which significantly increases the risk. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was identified 32 days ago. Is Uber stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several positive short-term signals and a generally good trend. This suggests that there may be a buying opportunity for Uber stock in the short term. However, we have slightly downgraded our analysis conclusion from a strong buy to a buy candidate due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, December 13th, we anticipate Uber to open down $0.193 and start trading at $62.53. Before we dive into the exciting world of trading, it's important to remember that it comes with a high risk of losing money. We highly recommend consulting with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions in the market. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. It's crucial to conduct thorough research and analysis to make informed decisions. By utilizing the information provided, you agree that you are solely responsible for your own investment decisions and understand the associated risks. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we want to share our current view on a particular stock. We value your opinion, so don't forget to comment below and let us know if you agree or disagree. We're also curious about your target for this stock. Remember to like and subscribe for more insightful content. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. Warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.